So, those familiar with the firearms spaces probably know that box magazine-fed shotguns are not very popular. Instead, tube magazines are really the majority of the market. Part of it just being per unit production cost. After all, a tube magazine literally just is a tube with a spring and a plug in it. But it's mostly just due to the design of shot shells themselves. You see, these are plastic cylinders. And like most cylinders, they're very strong on their vertical axis and can take a lot of force. But they have almost no lateral strength at all. As a result, shot shells are quite easy to deform. And that'll make them perform very unreliably in a box magazine. So the obvious solution is just to make a fully brass shell, right? Well, yes and no. Big Army tried these a long time ago, and they still can be found as reloadable shot shells on the market today. Actually, when the Army had been developing these around World War I, they had been using paper shells like this, which get wet and perform and deform even worse than the plastic ones. The problem being, while these are water resistant and can function in a box magazine, they're much heavier and more expensive than either of the other options. And militarily, shotguns are extremely niche weapons. And in the civilian market, economy is king. So they have never and probably will never catch on.